Today, something absolutely unbelievable happened. A truly astonishing event that left me completely speechless and utterly amazed.
Hey! Who took my banana smoothie? Me! Oh!
Listen, I traveled all the way from the jungle just to tell you something very important, so please pay close attention.
And I just want one smoothie, because that's all I need for a fantastic day filled with joy and deliciousness. So the girls bought him a big banana shake, and now he refuses to leave! Looks like they just made a new banana-loving best friend.